Most of the day start quietly, opening the window, letting fresh air and light come in. These may look like small ordinary tasks, but they build the rhythm of a peaceful home. Sometimes it feels repetitive. Yes, sometimes it feels unnoticed, but I remind myself a clean space clears the mind. An organized home creates calm energy. Hi everyone, namaste. Welcome back to Home is Where Your Heart is All About. I'm Vidu. I actually enjoy quiet morning like this. No rush, no pressure, just taking things one step at home. So the first thing I always do is come into the kitchen. I don't really follow strict recipes for breakfast. I just make whatever feels easy and good in the moment. Some days I like to make super healthy, and some days I just want something quick and tasty. And that's totally okay. And for today, I had soaked 2 cups of yellow moong dal overnight, drained the water, transfer in a mixie container, add half cup of suji, half cup of rice flour, a little water, grind them to a paste and transfer in a bowl. I have grated some paneer for the recipe. Along with it, I'm also making some lassi. I had taken 2 cups of curd in a bowl, added 2 cups of water, little bit of jaggery powder, 1/4 cup of rose water. I have blended them well and I've kept them in the fridge. Here I'm going to sprinkle some store gunpowder. Along with it, some grated paneer for the stuffing. This recipe turns out to be healthy, filling and delicious. I had some leftover aloo bhaji in the fridge. So what I did, some of the dosas I prepared it like this. I just spread some aloo bhaji, little bit paneer for the stuffing, and even this turned out delicious. Alright, breakfast is ready. Honestly, this is my favorite part. Just sitting down and enjoying a quiet moment before the day gets busy. Today I started with cleaning one of my kitchen cabinets. Here I have soaked the spice rack in warm water and dish soap. It may not look like much, just shelves and containers. And honestly, this cabinet needs a reset. I've also got some adhesive wallpaper, which I'll be using them as a shelf liner. So I'm not just emptying a shelf, I'm creating space physically and mentally. There's something so satisfying about wiping down an empty shelf. All the crumbs, all the dust, the little spills gone, and also painted the shelves. It feels fresh, new. When the cabinets are organized, cooking feels easier. When the kitchen feels calm, the whole home feels calmer. And that's powerful. Now, my favorite part, rearranging, grouping similar items together, putting everyday essentials at eye level, creating a system that actually makes sense. Not perfection, not Pinterest perfect shelves, just practical systems that make daily life smoother. When things have a space, life flows better. Transferring everything into bottles, ceramic jars took some time, but I really enjoyed the process. And just like that, it's done. A simple cabinet reset. It didn't require anything fancy, just time, intention, and care. Now for a tiny DIY project. Nothing complicated, just something simple. I love doing these small things because they really change the vibe without spending too much. It doesn't have to be perfect. Handmade always feels more special, right? Alright, now let's make some dinner. I have steamed some potatoes for aloo choka. Along with it, I'll be preparing khichadi in electric cooker. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of yellow moong dal, vegetables of your choice. Rinse them well, add in 5 cups of water, whole dry spices, and that's it. Also made some papad to go along with khichdi and aloo choka. To prepare aloo choka, in the oil I've added onion seeds, chopped onions, chopped green chilies. Now I'm adding the boiled potatoes. Add in salt, mash the potatoes well, and it's done. Once the khichdi is done, take out the dry spices, and now to prepare the tarka, in a pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon jeera, half a teaspoon hing powder, half a teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, and blend the masala well and add it to the mixture. Add a little water for a consistency, add salt as per taste, and here we have our dinner ready. Thank you so much for spending a time with me. I will see you in the next one. Take care.